Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of CS Card Customer Profile Page add-on. Now make the customer profile page at your store look more stunning and alluring with this particular add-on, that's the CS Card Customer Profile Page add-on. Now this add-on allows the store admin to add a desired layout for the customer profile page. So by providing an interactive profile page, you'll be able to engage more users to your site. And kindly note that this particular add-on is well integrated with the CS Card and CS Card multi-vendor as well. The customers will be able to add their profile picture, edit their profile. They'll be able to view the recently ordered products in the customer profile. It also shows a separate contact us option in the customer profile section there. You can also display or view the recently purchased products in a particular list. You will be able to view the wish list items as well within the particular section. And there's an option to display the profile picture using the avatar concept as well. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of this particular add-on, that's the CS Card Customer Profile Page add-on, and I'll be showing you the workflow at the customer's end and the rest of the configuration there at the admin's backend panel. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm at the storefront and I'm logged into my customer account, as you can see from this my account section. So if I tap here on the my profile section, then we'll be able to see a completely different customizable profile page for the customer depending upon the layout that has been set by the admin from the backend panel. And here you can see that here you have the contact information block there. The shipping address is visible, the billing address is visible. Apart from that, on the left hand side here we have this profile section wherein you'll be able to edit your profile, you'll be able to check your wish list, and you have an option to contact the store owner there. Now in the configuration settings, if you have set the contact us option link as empty, then what will happen is that you will be redirected to the website once again. Otherwise, the URL link that you have put within the contact section there in the configuration settings, you'll be redirected to that particular one itself. So if, for example, if I tap here on the contact, I'll be redirected to the particular URL that the admin has set up in the admin backend panel. So I'd set up the webkul.com, so I have been redirected to the webkul.com itself. So let's go back once again, and here on the left hand side you can see that we also have the recently ordered products, so the customers can view their recently ordered products. You can set the number of recently ordered products that should be visible to the customers within this particular block here, and the same goes with the order information section as well. It displays the total number of or the set number of orders that the customer has placed. So right now we have set it to 5 numbers, so that's why it's just showing the 5 number of order information there. Apart from that, you also have the more information here or the more option here. If you tap on the more, then you will be taken to the particular orders section to check the complete list of orders that you have placed as a customer. So now let's go back to the my profile section by navigating to my account and my profile. Now if I want, I can edit my profile as well by tapping here on the edit profile section, and this would bring up this profile details page, as you can see, and here we can make changes as per our own requirement. So if I want to upload an image there, I can tap here on the upload file option that we have, and this would open up our local drive there, and from the local drive we'll be able to upload an image. So for example, let me choose an image that I want to upload. So I'll upload it up. That would take a few seconds there for the image to upload. So the image has been uploaded, as you can see. Now I'll just scroll down and I'll be tapping here on the save button thereafter. Now this would save the profile, and you can see that the profile image is now visible here. If I want, I can make the changes to the profile section here as per my own requirement. I can then tap here on the save button to save the details there. So now if I go back to my profile section, I can see the particular profile image being displayed here in a very efficient manner. Now one more thing is there that there's a particular block missing right now in the center here. just below the contact information and the order information. Here we have a block missing. That block basically appears like this. It's basically the Google Maps that basically displays the location of the customer himself. So from here the customer can view his particular location on the Google Maps as well, and for that you have to enter the Google API key in the configuration settings of this particular plugin in the admin backend panel. So I'll be showing you that as well. So here you can see that we have the customer profile, and here we have the map, the contact information on the top, the order information on the bottom. Center we have the Google Maps. On the left hand side we have the edit profile, wish list, contact, and the recently ordered products. Now if I come back to this particular profile once again, apart from edit profile we have the wish list. If I tap here on the wish list, I'll be redirected to my wish list content section, wherein I can find the wish list items that I have added within my particular wish list there. Apart from that, if I go back to the my profile section, I've already told you we also have the contact us option here, and depending upon the URL that has been set by the admin, if I tap on the contact option here, I'll be redirected to that particular URL set by the admin. So if I open it up in another window, I'll be taken to that particular URL that has been set by the admin from the backend panel there itself. So that's how this add-on allows the admin to add a desired layout for the customer's profile page, and you can make the customer profile page look more stunning and alluring with this particular add-on there. So this was the workflow at the customer's end. As I've shown you now, let me take you to the admin backend panel and let me show you the rest of the configuration settings for this particular plugin. For that, we have to go to the admin backend panel, and we have to enter the email address and the password and tap on the sign in button thereafter. Now after login, to make the initial configuration settings, what we need to do is we need to go to manage add-ons, and here we have to search for profile. Let me retype that up. So here we have the customer profile page. You must have already installed it in your store there, and after the successful installation you will find this particular add-on there. So this allows the admin to intensify his customer's profile page view with various layouts there. So here you have the drop down. From the drop down you have to choose the settings option. Under the settings, here you can set up the different options that are available there for the customer's profile page. So from here you can show the product limit. So here you have to enter the number of products to be shown on the customer profile preview page. So we have set it as 5. So that's why on the left hand side here you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 recently ordered products are being shown, and for the order information we have set it as to 5. So only 5 orders or the latest orders are being shown to the customer there on the my profile section. Let's go back. So here we have the show order limit. Here you have to enter the number of orders to be shown on the customer profile preview page. Then we have the option to use the gravatar, and this would allow to click the gravatar to get the image from the World Wide Web if available. So you can check this option to provide the gravatar use for the profile image as well. Then here you can see the contact URL. So here you have to enter your contact URL, which will be shown on the customer's profile. So I had entered webkul.com, so that's why we are redirecting to webkul.com. If you leave this particular section as blank, then you'll be redirected to the website or the same website once again. And then we have the API key. So here you have to enter the Google API key for the location, and if you want to get the API key, you can also tap here on the here link to know more about how to get the API key for the same. And after entering these details, you need to tap here on the save button. So this was the initial configuration settings. Apart from that, you can also go to the design, and after that, so you can go to design and layouts. Under layouts, you'll be able to navigate to the profile page tab. So under layout, you have to go to the profile page tab. Here we have already given these blocks there. Now for each of the blocks, if you remember, on the left hand top corner, we have the profile section, where we can edit the profile with the wish list and the contact list. We have this particular small block. This is the other second block. This is the recently ordered block, and this is the order information block, and we'll have that particular Google Maps block as well. Now in the design, if I go to the top left hand corner and I tap on the block options, you'll be able to see that we have the profile page logo being selected, and here we have the template that can be chosen. So for each of the blocks that you have added, you can choose any of the templates that we have provided, like the profile information page, the profile page information, profile page logo, profile page product details, profile page map, profile page order details. So accordingly you can set the blocks as per your own requirement on the profile page. And for example, here we had in the center, or we had the maps. So if I tap here, you can see that we have chosen the template as profile page map itself. So that's how you can set up the layout for the profile page there, and can choose from the different what do we say as the templates that we have provided for each of the blocks there. So yes, that was much about the add-on, that's the CS Card customer profile page add-on, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.